New England gardening here. I thought this was going to be the storm that wasn't, but it's picking up, and it's that fluffy light snow because it's so cold out. But I get these cleats on here. That's the best thing I bought for myself last winter after falling on my butt using the snowblower. These things just snap onto any shoes. But I think I'm going to do a project like I always do in the middle of a snowstorm. I don't have my bird feeder up. It's too cold to hammer it into the ground. And last year I had it attached with clamps to a couple of boards on a raised bed. So let's see if I can find the bird feeder with the pole on it. Somewhere over here. I'm supposed to get like 3 to 6 inches. Even with these cleats on, there's black ice here. It's pretty slippery. There it is with the squirrel guard on it. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. I have to make sure to put it far enough away from any of these objects so the squirrels can't jump. Okay, that's all set. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching. Let the winter bird feeder videos commence. See ya.